Different people, different financial plans, right? Yung iba walang financial plans. Sa mga may financial plans, dito tayo. Some of you, number 1, others, number 2, and mostly, number 3. So pick one. Certainly, number 3 agad kayo, right? But I suggest, friends, number 1 muna tayo. So after natin ma-achieve ang number 1, proceed to number 2. And of course, number 3 agad. So for me, nasa number 2 na po tayo. Soon, number 3. How about you? Alright? Points to ponder, friends. 2 thumbs up.